I welcome you again today to my channel. Today I want to show you how to install this camera, low power solar Wi-Fi camera. It's a solar camera. Okay, let's start. Here is the camera. So here is the solar. This is all in one camera. Here is for sun charge. So this panel is attached to it, as you can see. Here is the stand. The antenna and the battery. This is a USB cord for electric charge. That's a external charge. It's good to charge this camera before use. Any camera you buy new, any camera you are installing new, it's good to charge it with electricity. Make sure it's 100% full before installing. So here is for the battery, here is for the USB cord, external charging, here is for memory card, here is power off and on button, here is the reset button. So first of all, you insert your memory card. I'm using 128 gig. Now with your phone, you open your Play Store. Here's the name of the app to download. So see, the app name is iCam Plus, by Wi-Fi. iCam Plus, iCam. As you can see, that's the name of the app. See the manual here, it shows iCam. That's the name of the app you are going to download on Play Store. So open your Play Store. Here is my Play Store. Go to search. You search for iCam. iCam Plus. So as you can see, this is the app. Yeah, you install it. The app is installing. it's done installing, you open the app. Enter your email, select your country, enter your email. Then you register. Now you input your password. You input this code. Now the registration is completed. Then you click on login. Okay, now I have downloaded the app. Let us go back to fixing the camera. That is setting the memory card, the batteries, and the antenna. So I have already inserted the memory card. Now the antenna. Here's the battery.
The camera is now ready to begin pairing.
Now you wait till the camera is ready.
The camera is now ready to begin pairing.
Okay, you said it again. So if you're installing this camera for the first time, it's good to reset the camera. So with the pin, you press and hold the reset button.
The camera is now ready to begin pairing.
So it's now reset. You hold it for 5 seconds to reset the camera.
System reset.
So the system is reset now. So when you press the keyboard, the system is reset. Now you wait.
The camera is now ready to begin pairing.
So it's now ready to begin pairing. When you hear the voice and the red light turn to blue, then it's ready for pairing. With your app, you add camera. You click on add device. That's add device or plus by the right hand side.
The camera is now ready to.
So you're requesting to turn on the Bluetooth of this phone. You turn it on. So you will select set up Wi-Fi device. That's the first one.
Power on your camera and check that the blue indicator LED is blinking. Enter the camera name and
Now,
address.
here the blue LED is blinking. So you enter the camera name and address. You can choose
The camera is now ready
living
to begin
room
pairing.
or whatever. So let me just leave it like this. You can choose the name you want.
Enter the Wi-Fi password. Please do not connect with the 5G.
Okay, now it's requesting to enter the Wi-Fi password. This is the Wi-Fi I'm using. So you enter the password.
The camera is now ready to begin pairing.
You confirm the password.
The camera is now ready to begin pairing.
So it's requesting to turn on the phone location.
The camera is now ready to begin pairing.
Okay. I turn up the location.
The camera is now
start
ready to
afresh.
begin pairing.
Power on your camera and check that the blue indicator LED is blinking. Enter the camera name.
Please go back to the last page to generate the QR code on phone and pair again.
Okay. Open the app. You turn on your Bluetooth. You turn on your location.
Please go back to the last page to generate the QR code on phone and pair again.
Okay, now look at what is showing.
Here the confirmation.
Pairing information received.
So you want to scan this
Camera
QR.
installed successfully.
It's installed.
Fully
So when
charged
you
camera at front.
So when you face the camera to the QR code like this, it will install. So here is the camera. It's not installed. So here is our camera. That is the camera. So as you can see, you can view me. The camera is now on. As you can see now, the color is changed now. Can you see it? This is the camera we just installed. That's the camera here. This is the camera we just installed. Hope you understand the process. So if you have any question, you ask me through your comment or WhatsApp me. If you have any problem installing camera, you contact me, WhatsApp me, or ask me a question. Okay, thank you for watching. Let's see another day. Bye.